Hi everybody, Tucker here from Rhino Networks. Welcome to the second video in our open box series. Today I've got the Meraki MX75. Let's take a look. Alright, let's look at this firewall. The MX75 is a tabletop model, so this does not have mounting brackets. We do sell an optional rack mount kit, so you can put this in your rack if you want to use it. Because of its 1 gigabyte speeds, definitely could, find its way into a rack. Have lots of customers who use it like a full, medium branch appliance because of that throughput. So awesome little firewall here. We've got obviously SD-WAN, dual RJ45 uplinks. Got an SFP uplink here as well. 10 RJ45 ports. 2 of these are PoE capable. So again, this could be just a great branch appliance. You can power your access points or whatever right off those ports. You've got a USB port here, that's for cellular backup. Pretty clean, awesome little small form factor. The fronts, you're gonna be your status light. When you're booting it up, it'll tell you where it's at. Underneath here, you're gonna find your power supply. And always remember, on a lot of these Meraki appliances, the other half of this, the power cord, is in a separate container, little brown lunch bag type. Should be shipped together. Just don't misplace this when you get it. You're gonna need this. All right, that's all we got in the box here. Thanks so much for joining me, and tune in next time for our next open box.